Hello and welcome. I am the Soul Enchantress, and I'm going to speak to you about something really exciting connected with money and the enchantments that I do for my clients, and especially if you live with more than just yourself in your home. So, for example, if you are married, if you're in a relationship, this specifically applies more to couples. However, this also applies to the household income. Okay, so here's the thing, because everyone is energy, and if so, for example, one of the things I am very clear about is that if you want an enchantment done, I don't know what anyone else does. This is purely my way of doing things, and this is from my experience, and this is from the thousands of sessions that I've done with clients in the last few years. Okay, so when you are casting an enchantment and asking for it to affect your money flow, the money, not only am I, when I do that, not only am I clearing the path for money to flow to you, but it also has to be cleared from the people or the avenue that it's going to flow to you from. So if someone actually owes you money, I do this with a lot of business clients, if I'm actually working in clearing money that is owed to them from people that they've done work for, but then say some of their clients are having a cash flow problem and can't pay my clients, when I do the work on my clients, it also has to energetically shift my clients' circumstances and situations so that they get paid, so that they can then pay my client. Do you understand that? So the same way, and I usually do money enchantments and money flow things if you have a business or you have several avenues of earning money. Because if you only ever receive a paycheck and there's no way for you to increase your income in any way, shape, or form, you don't do a second job or whatever it is, then it has to come to you in some way, shape, or form. So it has to come to you in a bonus form, or it has to come to you. It's very restricted, okay? But if you also have say an Etsy shop at the same time selling craft items that you make at home, and you have a full-time job, then there could be an increase in your sales in your Etsy shop, for example, to get you more money flow coming in. This is if you just have a paycheck that comes in and you have no bonus structures built in. But if you have a paycheck and bonus structures built in, or commission structures, then you will find that your sales may increase in order for you to get those commissions in, and therefore your money flow increases. So that's just how it works. However, here's the thing that I was just speaking to a client about, and I thought I would make a public video about this just so you would understand. And that is that when you are a couple, and if you are married or you live with someone, and even if you live in a household where several people are earning money coming into that household, say you need a large sum of money to come in to that household, and you ask me to do an enchantment for you for money flow, or to bless your money flow, or to increase your money flow, or as I do with business clients for ease of money flow and client attraction and business success, you will find that the money will flow in the easiest possible way. So if you need a large chunk of money to come through, but you don't actually have the avenue set up for immediate large chunk of money to come through to you, and you are married, or you live with a partner, or you live with someone else in the house, and that person is also vested in the house. So for example, it won't happen if you've got roommates, but if you have a family member who is also benefiting from living in the house, and it's a pooled income, or your husband or your wife or your boyfriend or your girlfriend, then you may find that if they have a chance of earning a large chunk of money, it's a better chance and a quicker chance of earning it than you making that amount of money. It will come through them. Okay, this happens all the time, every time with couples. I may do an enchantment for one part of the couple and the other person actually brings the money home. And when I make business success and money flow easily for a client of mine, if they are married, more so if they are married or if they're in a really long-term relationship, because then there is an energetic bond between the two and therefore the household belongs to the two people, it's always that the other person's income stream will also increase effortlessly. Okay, they will also find it easier to make money. So now you know how powerful my enchantments are and how it works. So if you want in on them, then please head over to soulenchantress.com. Join my weekly mentoring sessions. That's how everyone has to start working with me right now. And then you can also step into my Love, Money, Bliss programs. So bear in mind, I don't just do enchantments just for anyone who asks to increase their money flow or to attract love into their life or to overcome overwhelm and to create bliss in their life. I only cast enchantments for clients who are committed to themselves. So in other words, they are part of my weekly mentoring programs, which is less than a cup of tea a day. So if someone can't actually commit that to themselves, then I don't want to work with them. So therefore, if you are committed to improving yourself, if you're committed to transforming your life, and then you step into the Love, Money, Bliss programs, or you're actually doing one-on-one mentoring sessions with me, I absolutely do work with clients to cast enchantments. So I hope that this has been interesting and you are fascinated. And if you would like to work with me, you know how to do that. Head over to soulenchantress.com and message me. I wish you a beautiful day. Joyous blessings.